Hey guys, today we are going to be creating a self-portrait out of clay. We'll make a 3D portrait popping out of a clay tile. To get started, you're going to take your clay and press it into your mat to flatten it, and then roll it into a nice, smooth, flat piece. You want it to be about the thickness of a pancake. To create that tile background, you can make it any shape you want. I'm going to use a tracer to make a circle shape, but you could do a square or a heart maybe. I'm going to go ahead and smooth that piece out, and then we're going to turn it over and write our name on the back. After that, you're going to take those extra pieces to create your self-portrait. I have slip or clay water here to use as my clay glue. To make the face, I'm going to take a little chunk of clay, roll it into a ball, and flatten it into a circle or oval shape. To connect the face, I'm going to score and slip. Score means making scratches in the clay. Slip is that clay water. This is clay glue. I'm going to firmly press the clay into my tile and smooth it out. Now it's time to make the features of the face. Marking where everything's going to go on the face, I'll start by shaping the nose. For the details of the face, I could keep it simple like this and have some cute squinty eyes like an emoji and a smile line, or I could add more details. For any pieces that pop out of the face, like the nose or eyebrows, I can make them 3D. Anything that's indented, I can carve out. After the face is done, I want to shape a neck and upper body. So I'm going to take pieces of clay, and using that slip, that clay glue, I'm going to add pieces onto the bottom. Using my fingers to smooth and shape the clay, I've created the upper torso. Next, it's time to make the hair. I'm going to use some extra pieces of clay, and to add them on, I need to score and slip. So I make scratches in the clay and use that clay water to add the extra clay on. Then I need to smooth it out. I can also use clay tools to add texture, outlines, and shape my clay. Because my hair is up in my self-portrait, I'm going to add ears to the sides of my face, and then I'll add a bun to the top of my hair, because this is how I wear my hair often. Using my tools, I'm going to make texture to look like hair. Next, I'll add some extra details like a line for the shirt and some earrings. Once I've finished my self-portrait, I can also add shapes to the background. You can carve them out or add them on with extra clay. Finally, I need to peel it off my mat, and there I have my clay self-portrait. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.